Hello everyone. It's been a while you saw my face on this platform. I'm very busy with schoolwork and I try as much as I can to upload videos whenever I save products from companies for PR package, and I do nail tutorial videos and unboxing videos. I am here today to thank you for your support. I've been seeing your purchases from the Pretty website. Using my discount code, I get a commission. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. So if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a new technician and a new content creator that is currently based in Canada. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. All I do on this channel are new tutorials, product reviews, and inclusive the vlogging. If you like any of these I've mentioned, you can click on the subscribe button to follow me on YouTube. Thank you very much. I hope you watch this video till the end. And I'll talk to you again in my next video. Bye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a PR package I got from Born Pretty. And I'm going to be using it to do like a nail set. So is both a PR package unboxing and a nail tutorial video. Kindly watch till the end and let me know your thoughts about the nails or the set I am creating in the comment section. So I was asked to pick 5 products as usual, and I decided to go with this rubber based gel. I got one of it before, but I got it in a pink, like a light pink color, and I decided to get this color because it is perfect for a dark-skinned person. I am black, so I always gravitate towards getting products that will suit my skin tone or any of my model skin tone. So I got that. I got 4 other products. I got this, which is a super top coat. I've collected their top coat before. I decided to collect it again because you can never have enough of a top coat. Then I got their water color gel, which is which is one of the main um, nail gel polish I'll be using today to create a design. So I got this from them. I know I've used something like this before, but it wasn't called watercolor gel. But I can't remember what that was called. Then I got this color as well. I got 2 other products. One, a Jenny Nude color. I also got a Jenny Nude that is for a dark skin person. So I got this purple. Can see guys that this purple is good for a dark skin person, and the Jenny Nude I got also is for dark skinned tones. They're perfect, or they are perfect fit for someone with a dark skin tone. So thank you Born Pretty for sending me this product. So I'll be creating a gorgeous set with these products I got. So I used this 8-in-1 glue gel that I got from Born Pretty as well. I already used it to fix the nail tips on my model's fingernails. I did that because I didn't want the video to be unnecessarily long. So I got this in another package that I bought. I bought this with some other 4 colors. I was supposed to create a 4 set with that, but I've not had time to sit down to create a set with that. So I'll be using the um, rubber based gel I got to create a set. I already fixed the nail tips, so I'll be applying this. You see, it's a very beautiful color. I'll be applying it on the nail tips, and I'll be carrying it to the UV lamp for I think 60 seconds. So I paused the video to apply the gel based coat. I don't have any gel based coat from Born Pretty, so I just did that of the camera because you cannot apply any gel polish product without a gel based coat. So I already applied the gel based coat and I cured it for 60 seconds. One thing I love about this rubber based gel is that it kind of self levels That is, when you apply it, it kind of falls into place by itself. So I'll be applying first coat, carry for 60 seconds before I apply the second coat. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a nail technician and a nail YouTuber currently based in Canada. All I do on this channel are nail tutorials, product reviews, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on my channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And when you're subscribing, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I upload a new video. So after applying the rubber-based gel on each finger, I make sure that I clean the excesses that falls to the side, to the nail, to the side of the nail with a brush dipped in acetone before I cured it so that it doesn't get stuck on the skin. So I don't know why my lighting is turning yellowish. I'll try to get more lighting to brighten my video recordings so that you can see more clearly next time, but I don't know, it just look as if it's yellowish to me. So I've also used this rubber based gel on another person, and I used it like halfway through the nails. I fixed nail tips at the tip of the person's nails, and I used the rubber based gel to kind of fill the back up like the way we do acrylic design, and it was actually very nice. It was perfect. So if you have this, you can I'm sure you can use it on your natural nails. If you have like a little bit of nails, like a bit of an extension of your natural nails, you can use it on your nails. Just follow the process, but you have to kind of clean your nails well so that this can stick to your natural nails very well, and so it can last longer. So you can use your natural nails, you can use it on half fixed tips, and you can use it on full fixed tip the way I am doing right now. I also used it on my own natural no, I used it on my nails as well, the full fixed tips, and it was nice. It kind of gave it a curve that resembles that of an acrylic nails. So I'll be leaving the links to this product that I'll be using to create all the set in the description box, so that if you like any of these, there are so many colors of this rubber based gel. If this color is not what you like maybe a lighter color, you can get it from the website. Just click on the link in the description box. It's going to take you to their website. If you use my link, you get 15% off items that you buy from the Born Pretty website. And if you use my discount code Glitterspolish, you're going to get 10% off any item you purchase from the Born Pretty website. If you have used any of the Born Pretty rubber-based gel, can you let me know in the comment section how you used it, what it looked like, and how long you rocked the set that you created with it. But I've used it before, and I can tell you that it lasted long. I think about 3 to 4 weeks on my nails. So this is what it looked like after curing the second time, and I'm taking the sticky residue off with lint-free wipe with acetone. So I'm going to be taking that off, then I'm going to be filing it. I will give it a shape, and I will give it buff it before I come back to show you guys what I'll be doing next. And I'll be using the watercolor nail gel, like I said. I'm starting my design by applying the gel base coat on all the fingernails, fingertips, and I'm going to be carrying it for 60 seconds. So I'm going to be using a brush to stick the gold foil onto the nails. I don't know which pattern I was going to go with, but you know, I'll just do what comes to mind. I was supposed to have cut the gold foil bit by bit on a separate spot. I don't know why it didn't occur to me. Anyway, any which way, I'm going to be applying a zigzag pattern, and I'm going to put a gel base coat on it once more on the gold foil to secure the gold foil into place, and I'm going to cure it for 60 seconds before we go into the watercolor gel design. So don't forget to watch this video to the end to see what the end result looks like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. So I'm going to be using this dark shade color gel polish I got in their 4 collection to create the design. So I'm applying the watercolor gel on the nail tips. I'm not going to cure it before I start applying the dark shade colored gel on it. I'm going to be using a dotting tool to apply it. I'm just making sure that I don't have excess of the watercolor gel on the nail tip before I start putting a dark shade color. So I'm going to be applying the dark shade colored gel in a zigzag pattern, and I'm going to be making sure that it spreads well before I cure it in the UV lamp. After which I'm going to apply the gel top coat to seal it. Thank you for watching my tutorial up to this moment. I really appreciate it. I'm not going to be showing how I do the remaining 3 fingers. I'll just be showing 2 fingers, me working on 2 fingers, so that the video is not just too long. So once again, thank you for watching my video to this moment. I'll talk to you again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So till then, bye and be safe.